Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I can complete the Rune Quest on Coin. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will tremendously help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, once you complete this Rune Quest on Coin, you'll be rewarded with over 2 million coin. So guys, let me show you guys how I can do it. The first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see boost. So guys can see there at the bottom right corner the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see W skins. You can see there, let me tap on it. Then what you have to do is to scroll down. Let me scroll down real quick. Let me scroll down. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see the rune. You can see the rune skin right there. You have to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here's the W skin. You can see it's rune. You can see the price of the rune W skin. You can see it's over 500 coin. So guys, what you have to do now is to buy the coin. You can see, just tap on buy, then you'll be able to buy it. Immediately you buy it, then you'll be able to start the quest, the Rune Quest. Guys, you're going to get a lot of profits. You're going to get a huge reward that is nothing compared to the amount you're buying it. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on buy. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, can see what's written there. Rune Collector Quest. Well done mate. You have unlocked the ancient W rune, the first piece of a powerful artifact. Your quest begins. Find the remaining rune hidden across Coin app and spell out Coin. Only the worthy will succeed. Good luck. So guys, now this is where the quest begins. We've gotten the alphabet W. Remember they say we should spell out Coin. So we've gotten the first one W. What is remaining is coin, and we are able to get the W by buying the rune W skin. So guys, now let's go ahead now to find the remaining alphabet, which is coin. That means COIN. Let's get it right away. So let me go ahead now to tap on start quest to begin. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on the wallet icon at the top. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the W skin, the rune W skin there at the top. So let me tap on it right away. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Wow guys, can see what's written here. Great job, you have found the C rune. Only 3 more to go. So guys, now let me go back. Let me tap on continue right away. Let me go to the home page. So guys, now for you to get the next alphabet, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see tax. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see completed. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to scroll down. So let me scroll down to the bottom. Let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see the rune W skin right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So what you have to do now is to tap on it. So guys, let me go ahead now and tap on it. Wow guys, can see what's written here. Rune found. Awesome, you have discovered the whole rune. Just 2 more left. So guys, now let me tap on continue down there. Let me tap on it. Then let me go back to the home page. So guys, now the next place you have to tap on is on where you can see stats. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Stats. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the rune W skin right there at the bottom. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. Wow guys, can see rune found. Excellent, you've collected the I rune. Only 1 more to go. So guys, now let me tap on continue right away. Then let me go back to the home page. So guys, now the final place you need to tap on is on where you can see boost. You can see there at the bottom right corner the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, you can see the final rune W skin right there on the right hand side. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see what's written here. Rune found. Fantastic, you have collected the N rune. You have now gathered all the runes. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on claim reward. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see quest complete. Congratulations mate, you have successfully collected all the runes and spelled out Coin. Here is the reward. So guys, now you can see the reward right there, over 2 million coin. So guys, now let me go back. Let me cancel out now. So guys, now you can see my balance has added up. So guys, now this is how you can actually complete your Rune Quest on Coin. See you in our next upload. Bye. Peace.